name is Alex Aldana. I am the Executive Director of the Pico Youth Event Center, and we're here at the second annual Santa Monica Classic Car Show. And this is a fundraiser for the Pico Youth Event Center. We provide youth services for high school youth and college youth all throughout the city of Santa Monica and Los Angeles. So this is a great event to bring the community together. This is an event about unity and community and celebrating lowrider culture, you know, Latino heritage, and just the community in Santa Monica in general. So we have over 100 classic cars registered, and we expect by the end of the day over 120 cars throughout the event. So please come down to the Santa Monica Pier until 4 p.m. today. Thank you.
Born and raised in this beautiful city that we call Santa Monica, California. And I have a 1966 Pontiac Le Mans that was built by Mr. Chip Foose himself and painted by the one and only Mr. Rich Lanzini. And my car was on a TV show called Overhauling 16 years ago. So this is the car. It has a 454 Butler engine inside. Built by the guys that Butler engine, and you got the Edelbrock rock. You got Hosfin suspension, and got some great seats. Come around here. I love baseball, so we got some overhauling baseball mats there. And in the back, we have I love baseball, so here's the mat. So, great baseball bat. I'm a big Dodger fan, so LA Dodgers. That's about it, man. Just happy to be born and raised in the city, Santa Monica. Peace.
Got you, listen, cause that coming up short.